Man, if it's not one thing, it's another, man. Sometimes it's always tires and little things in it. But today it's, oh, look what I found. Busted hinge. The metal is broke completely. Man, that sucks. Those two hinges on the end, I inspected them. They look pretty straight, but then I look at these two and they look bad. The two middle ones, or the ones I'm pointing at, bad. They look like they possibly might go next. This is bad. Either I abused the trailer, or it just wasn't built tough enough. Only thing left to do is weld it up. So, I guess I'm gonna have to get the grinder and grind all that up real well. Get up in there and get some clean bare metal. Get some good action. And that's it. I guess I'll get started. Grind it. Alright, so I'm suited and booted. And what I mean by that is, dang, I'm gonna need a rain jacket now coming out here messing with this rain. Oh my lord. Anyways, earplugs. Gotta put some eyeglasses on. Boom, glasses. I'm gonna get started on this trailer. Oh hell. Alright, so I'm up in here. Got a couple grinders just to like get different angles and thinner ones, whatever. Back to the busted ass hinge. So this thing has 5 hinges along the rail system. Those 2 hinges, they're good. They don't look bent, in my opinion. These 2 though, they look damaged. This one you can see it's kind of bent back there. Same thing like this one, kind of bent back there. And that's where that one broke. You can see where the other ones are bent. You can see that's where that one broke. Anyway, let me get to work. Alright, I'm ready to go. I got the welder on. I'm suited and booted. As you can see, climb up in here. Do this first part of the weld. Gotta weld this side of the hinge. Then I gotta lift the thing up and weld that back side of the hinge. Alright, let's see if we can get it. Ooh, I need to go get my welding blanket. Stuff is hitting my legs. Buddy can't do that. Got my cozy welding blanket so I don't get burnt. Alright, let's get comfortable. Get the weld. Alright, that's it for this side. I had a good bead. Ooh, that's a little hot still. I had a good bead going from here. I had a good run. And then I welded this up, and then I noticed some spots, so I had to close them back up with some more welds. Anyways, I ain't no professional welder. Still learning as I go. Alright, I went ahead and grinded it down smooth, and then filled in any gaps that needed to be filled in and grinded it some more. But yeah, finished product. I guess you can call me a welder slash grinder. Or no, not even a welder, just a grinder. Man, I'm having a hell of a time with this hinge right here. Tell you what, this thing is gonna whip my butt. Ooh, could finally get to take off my welding gear. This backside weld came out alright. Get in here and show you. Like I said, I ain't no professional. But she's all welded up. I'm happy with the end product. I will say it's just a band-aid. I do need to get some new hinges. Like I said, those other two were bent. I see in the near future just replacing this whole rail system here and changing it out to what's called a standard rail system. This is 47 inch. I need to change it to a 36-inch standard rail. That way I can, grow with the business with that size rail system. Because you can find more dumpsters, change over different trucks, stuff like that. It's like the universal rail system, 36 inches. Wish I'd have did my research and not bought that 47-inch rail. Down here primed. It's ready for some black paint. You have to see when I lift the trailer up for the backside. Oh yeah, also too, I had to replace this. It holds this ground wire on. I welded a new one on, primed it, painted it. It's ready to be hooked back up, actually. When you continue raising, this thing takes forever to raise up. Alright, I got the trailer all the way lifted up. Now you can see this backside. I'm about to prime it. I did some stitch welding under it, as far in as I could get. But yeah, that's it. Weld across. I just got done painting that stuff up. Turn that flash on. There it is. Up close and personal. Freshly painted up. In a second, I'll lower the trailer and show you the back part. Oak ground finally hooked back up. Everything's secure. There it is. There she blows. It's all painted up. Repaired hinge. It's dark on me now. That one hinge is shiny. The rest of them things is muddy and dusty. So, with the one hinge repaired, it's really a band-aid. We'll see how long this band-aid lasts. Dang, I said that wrong. Band-aid.